check out my day one video, guys, and don't laugh. Today I'm pretty excited because I'm coming to you from my bathroom. Okay, so I'm embarking on a fast, a long fast. My aim is to get to 3 days. If I can get to 3 days, I'm going to be pushing it to 5 days. And if I get to 5 days, I'm going to be pushing it to 7 days. So every day I'm going to come to you and just give you a little bit of info on how I'm doing. Please forgive me, I look like a train wreck because part of this journey I'm doing what I call my power hour, and I'll explain to you that in a second. Okay guys, so I decided to do this fast quite a few weeks ago. You know, we moved home, just lots of moving parts in my life, and I just really felt like I needed a reboot. And I was initially considering a 3 day, and one of my clients came to me and said, Colleen, can I please do a 7 day? I'm like, whoa, are you sure? And she was like, oh yes. So I said, well, you're not going to believe this, but I have been thinking about a fast for weeks now. I said, and now I am finally gonna just do it. So she completed, she got to 6 days. And then I said to her, okay, I'm gonna try and push for 7. And I'm gonna come to you guys every single day in the evenings. Once I've, gone through the entire day, I'm gonna tell you what I've been up to. I'm gonna tell you what I've consumed. And I'm going to tell you how I am feeling. So guys, the reason I'm doing this particular fast, because I really just want to stimulate autophagy, and I'd also just like to stimulate my ketones as well. And then along the way, obviously, with my hormones and my gut reset and all sorts of fantastic things that take place, mental clarity. I mean, I am just so excited and amped. And guys, I've had like quite a few weeks now that have just been extremely stressful and just not the greatest, and some real, massive life-changing situations that have, just landed on my lap without me expecting it. But in saying that, I can tell you right now, not a single thing was going to stop me from doing this fast, because I'd made my mind up. Like, I had made my mind up, my mindset is right, and I'm in it, and there is absolutely no outside influences that are going to stop me from doing this journey. In fact, timing is perfect, because now I'm incorporating the issues that I've been dealing with. I'm actually incorporating it into my power hour. Okay, I'll explain power hour in a second. So firstly, guys, I had a super clean meal last night. I finished, eating around 5 in preparation for today. And I was so excited. Hey, I was so excited. So I woke up 5 o'clock this morning and I was, okay, I am doing this. And I went downstairs and I put my coffee machine on and I was going to own the day. And it was really nice because I just really just took it so slow. I watched a really nice little entertaining feel-good series, a little rom-com. That was at 5 a.m. this morning. And then of course I got my puppy with me, so I'm distracted. And then the Formula One came on at 9 and that ended around 11. And then I decided just to, because I really just want my power hour, and I'll explain that in a second, to be in my bathroom. I'm really blessed. I've got like one really massive bathroom and a jacuzzi. And behind me, you can see I have my deck. So it isn't just being in a bathroom. It really is. I mean, I've got all these windows around me. I'm looking out into the forest. And it is absolutely spectacular. So why not just take advantage of all of this, right? So I am going to definitely be making our ginger water. I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. I'll just put the recipe down below. And guys, seriously, that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. So my power hour tonight, my goodness. So when I say I do power hour, I would take an hour of the evening and I would then just do all the things that my heart just desires. But of course, it's going to be wellness related. So tonight I've got my trampoline. It's right here. I think you can see a little bit of it. I wanted to do 5 minutes, but I did a hike today. So yes, right, that's right. So after the Formula One, I just got all this area sorted out, my bathroom all ready, and I've got my diffuser going, I've got lavender going. I just made sure that I've got my body brush and my cupping, and I was on a flipping mission. So I got all that set up, and then I went on a hike with Kate for an hour and a half. So the deal I have at home, because I know everyone's going to be talking about this, the deal I have at home is that between 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock at night, I am going to be coming up to my bathroom upstairs, and I am going to be doing my power hour. My power hour consisted of dry skin body brushing, okay, and then instead of jumping for 5 minutes, I just jumped for 100 little jumps, because I have already done an hour and a half hike. So Kate and I, we went into the forest today and we hiked for an hour and a half and we didn't know the route, hey? So we were sweating it. It was incredible. And then to come home and to then have my power hour while Jim and Kate are busy making dinner and they're going to play some backgammon and just hang out, so that when I come downstairs now after I've made this video, everyone's finished and I can just relax with them and maybe we'll play a bit of backgammon or watch a movie. But guys, I have done it. So all I've done today is black coffee and probably about 3 liters of water. Yeah, so what I will be doing tonight is I'm going to be having a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in my water, and I'm going to push through, guys. Tomorrow I'm going to make my ginger and lemon water, but I shall keep you posted. Okay guys, that's me. I have not eaten a morsel of food for 24 hours and I am feeling amped, I'm feeling strong, and I sincerely hope I'm going to be motivating you guys by the time I finish. Hopefully 7 days, but if I get to 5, oh la la, that'll be amazing. Thanks guys. Catch you tomorrow.